Hello friends, happy May Day. I want to inspire you to make your own flower crown. This is one I made yesterday and they're so fun to wear. They're so fun to celebrate the May Day and to give to somebody to wear in a dance or just to cheer yourself up. And they're wonderful for Mother's Day and for birthdays and all kinds of celebrations. So they're good for men and women. So I'm going to show you how I made this. I started with a jasmine vine, but also something like periwinkle or ivy. There's all kinds of, it's really the stem that you need to be your base. And then on top of that, you're going to collect little bits and pieces of flowers from your garden. These are these wonderful small Cecile Brunner roses. And then I overlap them like this, and I use a very thin wire that comes on a little spool, and it's like thread, and then I wire it along. And I like to use different kinds of foliages and just put them together. Sometimes I have them a little bit more loose and it gives more of a wild look. Sometimes I make them very small and tight. And I start up at the very top of the vine and leave a little bit at the end so I can connect them. And these wild leaves all just wire together so that it won't be too big. But sometimes it's really fun to make really big ones that are out of woodland things with mosses and lichens and pine cones and whatever. Or something sometimes very simple with just fern. So I encourage you to make them. Sometimes they will dry. And when we put in scented things, they smell wonderful. And a crown is about our aura, our halo, and that we see it and we're connected to nature and the beauty of the world. And kings and queens would have them, but then they wanted them more permanent, so they would make them out of gold and then put the jewels in instead of flowers. But we get to make this, and it's a wonderful thing to cheer yourself up and to celebrate the natural world. So I hope you'll join me and make one and give it to someone you love or wear it for yourself. Okay, lots of love to you and happy May Day, happy Mother's Day, happy spring. We have to celebrate each day.